Granger, do you know that behind this little black box is Amma? It's Amma. Can you say hi to Amma? Can you say hi to Amma? Hi, Amma. Hi, Amma. Hi, Amma. Hi, Amma. Hi, Amma. 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 Hi, Amma. Hiya. Amma, I have hiccups. I have the hiccups. Save me. Save me. Oh, help me. Appa's obsessed with this black box. What is this black box? It follows me around. Why does it follow me around? Thanks for the warning, kiddo. Granger. 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 It's okay. It's just Amma back there. Granger. 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 Whoa, whoa. That was fun, huh? Hiccups are still there, though, huh? All right. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Amma. Bye, Amma. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon.